Bill would like to learn about small business because someday he wants to have a business of his own. But there was still this matter of schoolwork. What about school?
The age-old question, how come school doesn't teach us about the important things, like starting a business, how to pay our taxes, or in fact, money in general? Imagine if school taught you about money at an early age and encouraged you to start a business once you graduated. Would we be better off? One thing is for sure, our planet, it would look a lot different. Instead of the majority of people leaving school unaware of the importance of financial literacy and being brainwashed into thinking that being an employee for the rest of your life is the only route to success, people would leave school empowered to follow their dreams. They would start a business, and they would live a life worth living. But that's not the case. The school system is designed to crank out employees to work for companies in order to pay income tax to the government and stimulate the economy. You're told from a very early age to go to college, find a great job, work 40 to 50 years, and then you can have fun and retire. But why wait until you're in your 60s to have fun? You can't blame the schooling system or government for this. If the majority of people were business owners, the economy would collapse and forever be in debt due to a lack of inflow of tax dollars. Now this is true for the majority of people, but that doesn't mean that you have to fall into this trap. Year 3 of gaining financial freedom is about starting your business to replace your existing income with passive income. Starting your business can be intimidating at first, but once you figure out how to file your business and how to develop a business plan, it is much simpler than you think. I like to think of starting a business like a roller coaster. You can expect a lot of ups and downs, financially and emotionally. Sometimes you'll move quickly and sometimes you'll move slowly. Sometimes you'll have the impression that you're going around in circles. But if you're doing what you love, I know you can persevere through the obstacles. The first thing that you need to go ahead and do is to find out what your business will do and how it'll generate money. Start off by thinking about the things that you're really good at and you enjoy doing. An example of this could be your passion for photography, and then you're looking for a way to monetize it. You may do some research and find out that there's a lack of real estate photographers in your area. You could then begin marketing yourself to real estate agents and brokers to take pictures for them in their real estate properties. Think about what you love doing, find a way to monetize it, and the possibilities will be endless. However, I can't stress this enough, it has to be something that you love to do, because when times get tough and you begin losing money in your business, you can easily persevere. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Once we know what we want to do to make money and have an idea on how to make money from it, we need to create a business plan. A business plan is a critical document containing business goals, the methods on how these goals can be attained, and the time frame within which these goals need to be achieved. Alright, let's look at an example so you understand the importance of a business plan. So let's say that you're planning your next vacation. I bet you don't book the first vacation spot that pops up, or decide to take $100 with you randomly for your budget. No, it's planned out. Your vacation plan includes why you want to travel, where you want to go, the activities that you want to experience and when, as well as a budget and so on. Essentially, this is the same as a business plan. Your business plan maps out your mission, values, goals you want to achieve in an amount of time, strategies, and your budget. That way your business can stay on track and you can plan for your success. Make sure you do not overlook this step. Failing to properly plan is planning to fail, or something like that. The next thing that we need to do is to figure out our formal business structure, and then we need to file that within our state. Some of the popular business structures include limited liability companies, or LLC. That's the business structure that I have for my company. Partnerships and corporations. The business structure you choose influences everything from the day-to-day operations to taxes to how much of your personal assets are at risk. You should choose a business structure that gives you the right balance of legal protections and benefits. I recommend reaching out to a lawyer or to do your own personal research to determine what business structure is best for you. Now, this business structure is there to protect you and your assets. Here's the fun part. Now that you've picked out your business structure for your business, you need to give it a name. Think of a name that's catchy and represents your company well. After that, you'll need to file your business legally with the state. This is a pretty simple process and can be done completely online. Usually you'll have to pay a filing fee which ranges from $100 to $300 on average depending on your state. You'll see plenty of advertisements that will file your business for you, but if you're a small business, you can easily do it yourself or through a lawyer. You can easily find your state's business filing website by Googling file and enter your business as well as the state. So for me, I Googled file LLC Texas and it took me right to the website. Within a couple weeks, you'll receive your certificate of filing, and now you are officially a legal business within your state. Now that you have a legal business, you can go ahead and start a business bank account to begin charging customers for your services. During this year, continue pushing your business to higher levels and look for ways to increase your revenue and profit. It's extremely rewarding to see your business grow over time. Trust me, it's going to be tough, but you can persevere through the challenging times. Throughout the roller coaster ride of starting a business, remember, opportunities don't just happen. You create them. Hi, my name is Josh with Debt to Dollars, and thank you for watching. I want to let you know that this video that you just watched is part of an extended 5-year series on how to gain financial freedom and to retire early. So make sure to put that playlist in the cards above, as well as the end screen, so you can watch those videos after this.